ओ modulus of a complex number. Let z equal to a plus ib be a complex number. Then the positive square root of the sum of squares of real part and square of imaginary part is called modulus or absolute value of z and is denoted by mod z equal to under root a square plus b square. In the set of complex numbers, z1 greater than z2 or z1 less than z2 are meaningless. But mod z1 greater than mod z2 or mod z1 less than mod z2 are meaningful because mod z1 and mod z2 are real numbers. Properties: mod z equal to 0 implies that z equal to 0, that is real z equal to 0 and imaginary z equal to 0. Mod z equal to mod z bar equal to mod minus z minus mod z less than equal to real z less than equal to mod z and minus mod z less than equal to imaginary z less than equal to mod z. Z into z bar equal to mod z square. Mod z square equal to z bar mod whole square. Mod z1 z2 equal to mod z1 into mod z2. Mod z1 by z2 equal to mod z1 by mod z2. Z1 plus z2 mod whole square equal to mod z1 whole square plus mod z2 whole square plus 2 real whole bracket z1 into z2 bar. Z1 minus z2 mod whole square equal to mod z1 square plus mod z2 square minus 2 real whole bracket z1 z2 bar. Z1 plus z2 whole mod less than equal to mod z1 plus mod z2. Z1 minus z2 whole mod greater than equal to mod z1 minus mod z2. Mod az1 minus bz2 whole square plus mod bz1 plus az2 whole square equal to a square plus b square whole bracket. Mod z1 square plus mod z2 square whole bracket. Mod z1 minus z2 whole square plus mod z1 plus z2 whole square equal to 2 whole bracket. Mod z1 whole square plus mod z2 whole square. Multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of a complex number z equal to a plus ib not equal to 0 is 1 by z equal to a minus ib divided a square plus b square equal to z bar divided mod z whole square. Argand plane. A complex number z equal to a plus ib can be represented by a unique point p a comma b in the Cartesian plane referred to a pair of rectangular axes. The complex number 0 plus 0i represent the origin O00. A purely real number a, that is a plus 0i, is represented by the point on x-axis a comma 0. Therefore, x-axis is called real axis. A purely imaginary number ib equal to 0 plus ib represented by the point 0 comma b on y-axis. Therefore, y-axis is called imaginary axis. Similarly, the representation of complex numbers as points in the plane is known as Argand diagram. The plane representing complex numbers as points is called complex plane or Argand plane or Gaussian plane. If two complex numbers z1 and z2 be represented by the points p and q in the complex plane, then mod z1 minus z2 equal to pq. Polar form of a complex number. Let p be a point representing a non-zero complex number z equal to a plus ib in the Argand plane. If OP makes an angle theta with positive direction of x-axis, then z equal to r whole bracket cos theta plus I sin theta is called the polar form of the complex number, where r equal to mod z equal to under root a square plus b square and tan theta equal to b by a. Here theta is called argument or amplitude of z and we write it as arc z equal to theta. The unique value of theta such that minus pi less than equal to theta less than pi is called the principal argument. Arc z1 into z2 equal to arc z1 plus arc z2. Arc z1 by z2 equal to arc z1 minus arc z2. Solution of a quadratic equation. The equations ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 where a, b and c are real numbers or complex, a not equal to 0 is called the general quadratic equation in variable x. The values of the variable satisfying the given equation are called roots of the equation. The quadratic equation with real coefficients has two roots given by minus b plus under root d by whole divided 2a and minus b minus under root d whole divided 2a, where capital D equal to b square minus 4ac called discriminant of the equation. When capital D equal to 0, roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. When capital D greater than 0, roots are real and unequal. If a comma b comma c belongs to Q and D is a perfect square, then the roots of the equation are rational and unequal. If a comma b comma c belongs to Q and D is not a perfect square, then roots are irrational and occur in pair. If D less than 0, roots of quadratic equation are non-real or complex. If alpha beta be the roots of quadratic equation, then sum of roots alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and the product of roots alpha beta equal to c by a. Let S and P be the sum of roots and product of roots respectively of quadratic equation. Then quadratic equation is given by x square minus sx plus p equal to 0.